there was this chicken that had been run over outside, randomly enough. My girlfriend at the time was training to be a vet, and she came up and she said, "Oh, there's this chicken that's just been run over, I need to help them live." And I was like, I'm gonna go to bed. I woke up about 4 hours later after my afternoon nap, which is just glorious. And the chicken had died.
Oh, he said he...
Now, had I been awake to help the chicken, I probably wouldn't have helped it, but I did still feel bad when I wrote this song. We take this bird and with its broken leg, we could nurse it, she said. Come inside for a little lie down with me. And if you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. And when I wake up, your makeup is on my shoulder. So if I lie down, would you stay down or let me hold you? So if I kiss you, will your mouth read this true? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste our lips do, but it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I owe it all to you. No, no, my little bird, my little bird. Take a walk out in the morning dew. We could lay down till next time. Come inside for a little homemade tea. And if you fall asleep, then at least you're next to me. And if I wake up, you see it's late, love, back to sleep. Come by nature, and I'm safe now underneath this old tree, with you beside me. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste our lips do, but it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you. No, no, my little bird, my little bird. And of all these things, I'm sure I'm not quite certain of your love. And you made me scream, then I made you cry, when I left that little bird with its broken legs to die. So if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste our lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon.